Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing my Boxycharm for July. I'm super excited. This is the base box. So if you're interested, keep watching and let's do it. Alright guys, literally I just finished filming this eye look and this video. Hopefully this video will be up. I will link it below, but I just received this in the mail and I'm super excited. So let's open it up and let's see what we got for July. Alright, let's see. This is the base box for July. Comes with a little card. It says Fantasy. So cute. I have two cards. Fantasy. That's so pretty. I love those colors. Alright, let's get started. Let's see what we got in this box. The first item I pick up is from Pharmacy, which I love Pharmacy. Pharmacy has some wonderful products. My favorite product from Pharmacy, I would say it has to be my cleansing balm from Pharmacy because I use it every day. It gets off all the makeup. So let's see. This says the Whipped Greens Oil-Free Foaming Cleanser. This says an oil-free foaming cleanser that draws out dirt, oil, and impurities caused by pollution. This soap-free pH-balanced formula is infused with purifying moringa, papaya, and green clay to help clean pores and surface residue, while sodium PCA helps replenish skin hydration. The MSRP for this item is $28. So I know I'm going to love this product because I love Pharmacy. I love their lotions, and their cleansing balm is one of my holy grails. The next item I pick up is from the Beauty Bakery. Look how cute this is. It looks like a little donut sack. It says flower setting powder. Oh, it's a flower bag. That's super cute. It says this finely milled oat translucent flower setting powder allows you to set your concealer and foundation in place for a long day wear. This colorless formula puts the oily face battle to rest. It will be noticeably blur your pores and soften your complexion, leaving you with a beautiful matte finish. The MSRP for this item is $24. Let's open it up and look what it looks like. This is so cute, the little packaging. So this is how it looks. I haven't tried their setting powder, so I'm interested to try it. The next item I pick up is from Generation Skin. This looks like it's a hydrating marine algae eye patches. Marine algae is a straight from the sea skincare savior dense with vitamins, minerals, proteins, and essential fatty acids. When applied to the delicate skin around your eyes, it helps firm, soothe, plump, and brighten like nothing else. Used for dewier, fresher looking peepers, which I can definitely use. MSRP for this item is $49.99. Alright, so the next item I pick up is from Billion Dollar Brows. This is Brows on Point Micro Pencil. When precision matters, this Brows on Point Micro Pencil will help you get the look you want. This precise brow pencil features a thin tip to cover each and every hair with the color you want and can create hair-like strokes for a natural looking eyebrow. MSRP for this item is $16. I believe I did try this before. This shade is in taupe. I say taupe. Is it taupe? Hey Google, how do you say taupe?
That's pronounced taupe.
It's pronounced taupe. Whenever I have to pronounce something, I always gotta ask Google. I always ask Google when I need to pronounce something. I say taupe, but I guess it's taupe. 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 That's how I say it. Anywho, it's a really fine pencil, as I remember. It's really nice. It's my shade. It's a little hard. I like a little bit of a softer pencil, but it's really nice. It has a spoolie on one end. So the next item and the last item in this box is from Outre. I haven't heard of this brand before. I don't think I have. It says it's an 8-in-1 plus CBD leave-in conditioner. This leave-in conditioner packs 8 powerful benefits into one, enhances body and manageability, detangles hair, fights frizz, protects hair from environmental damage, balances moisture, and adds nutrients to refresh hair and add shine. The MSRP for this item is $30. $30 for this little bottle. I'm gonna have to research this. It says Fine Mist. I'm gonna have to research this brand because I'm really picky what I put in my hair, and I have not heard of this brand before. It says it's vegan, free of talc, sulfates, parabens, gluten, cruelty, and vegan free. So I will have to research it before I use it. Alright, so let's add up this box and see what we got. Alright, so we got the Pharmacy Whipped Greens Oil-Free Foaming Cleanser, which was $28. And then the Beauty Bakery Flour Setting Powder, which was $24. And the Generation Skin Hydrating Marine Algae Eye Patches, which was $49.99. And then the Outre 8-in-1 CBD Leave-In Conditioner, which is $30. And then the $1 Billion Brows On Point Micro Pencil is $16. So the total of this box is $147.99. So this is the end of the video. So does anyone else get Boxycharm? If we got any of the same items, let me know below. This is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed my unboxing. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Join my butterfly garden. And don't forget to ring the bell for any notification. Hit all on notifications so you can receive all of my future uploads. Until next time, y'all stay blessed, guys.